Hey guys, so in this video we are starting a new vulnerability type today. It is file uploads, and the lab here says this lab contains vulnerable image functionality and doesn't perform validation for on files users upload and stores them in the server system. And to solve it, you have to upload a basic PHP web shell that exfiltrates the contents of the file /home color secrets. So to submit this lab, you need to put the secrets button via the lab banner. Okay. You can use these credentials to log in, so you assume well, obviously it's through the avatar, so you just need to see if there's any type of filtering or any. So we can skip all this, we can just log it. And okay, so you just upload any image here. You can download one from the internet just to test this. So you can just use any image. Okay, so hit load. Set the file avatar / wolf png. All right, go back to the file. You see the images here. So if you look in the repeater tab here, see we have um, postmiser / avatar, and here's the contents of the file. It's all stripped and encoded information file, which all images and files are like this. It just has a whole bunch of byte data here, and it renders to the page. So that's not going to be helpful. It's just a useful quest you can attempt to do, so we can send that there. And interesting request here is get more files. So it's getting this information from being able to, so it's searching the files, searching for this wolf PNG that we uploaded, and it's searching for that. It says, okay, is this file on our system? If it is, it's gonna say, okay, it is this, so we're just gonna post that and it sends it into my account, which is here. There's that and renders this. So if we can see what protections or any protections, we can make a basic um, file. You can just do this in Java. We could do vim yes, you just say poc dot php. You just do this. You don't need to put anything. You can just put be empty. It's just a test. See if it has restrictions. So you can just do browse. So it's my there you go. So you can just upload, browse it, test the file, upload. So there's no protections on this website. So there's no protections. So what we can do is we can do. So I already created a file for that. Here it's called yes. so we can do, so if you look at this file labeled PS Webshell 1.php. So in order to get this lab, you have to use PHP, and the command for this is, here's his brackets question mark PHP, and that starts the, usually all PHP starts that way. It ends with the same, but on the opposite side of question mark close bracket. And then to get the file to run, we can use echo file underscore get underscore contents. And first is we could do in quotations, then we do slash home Carlos secrets, because it's, this is, this, once this uploads, it's being stored on the system. So we could add, it references like, hey, reference this file slash home slash Carlos. And the reason why that works, and I'm pretty sure you can just do this in your terminal too. Just quit out. You just do, yes, we do slash home that way. We can see that like, hey, this is the file directory for it. So if we do pwd webhook, just to demonstrate why. Not too many arguments. Interesting. I would have to change to the file location first. We do pwd and see the file location. The reason that works is like, hey, since this is the home directory, it's gonna say, hey, get this location when we upload the shell, upload that file. It's gonna get the content. So once we browse and upload this, it'll, once we hit upload, it should allow us to get the content. So let's just kill this out and upload. Say it's been successfully uploaded, and come back. If we look at files, it's okay. And then here's the secrets for the left. All right, we submit the solution, and then that's it for this one. In that scenario, there might be sites that allow basic file uploads like that, but most will, you have to do either double extensions. So you might have to use like PHP 5. But for this, since this is live, it's straightforward. So, and the next one we'll be going down is Webshells through content type restrictions. So I'll see you guys in the next one.